Okay, there should be a link in Canvas then for the 4x4x4 LED cube test program. And what this will do is it'll flash the LEDs on the LED cube on and off. So what you're going to want to do is select all of the text in here. So I'm going to do a Control A, and then I'm going to copy that by right-clicking copy. Then you're going to use the Duino app, and there is a link for this, but here's the URL. And we will go to click on code, and then up here, click on this little folder. You're going to click on Project Manager. What we're going to do is add one. So create new project, clicking on the plus, and we'll just type this LED cube test. And you can name it whatever you want, but that's what I'm going to call it. Then we'll click on that. That's the current one. And we'll go to code. Whatever's in code, select it all. In this area, select it all and erase it. And then use Control V, V as in Victor, to paste the code from the Google Doc. And then if we look in the bottom right, this should say server online. Make sure that this says Arduino Uno. If it doesn't, come over here and select it. And then click on serial selected. And right now, I have my Arduino disconnected. Okay, so if yours isn't disconnected, disconnect it right now. And then the screen should disappear. It should say no compatible devices found. When you plug it in, you'll notice it says something. Okay, so if I unplug it, there's nothing. If I plug it in, it should say that. And click connect. And then we're gonna, well, we can from right from here if we want to, we can click on this middle icon that says compile and upload. And if all goes well, it should go all through 100% and say success or done. I think that the issue with mine is that I'm recording at the same time, and I think there's a conflict there. So those would be the steps to go through. I'm just going to try it again here just to see. Let me click on this and unplug. Then click on connect. Try it a time or two if yours doesn't work. I'm pretty certain though that I'm having a conflict between recording and doing this at the same time. But those would be the steps that you would go through. And you should notice that after it uploads with your LED cube, they should all be flashing. All right, if you were getting errors on this, one thing to try to do is click the refresh button up here. It should just reload everything and you shouldn't have to change anything. I'm just gonna reload, and then I'm gonna come back and click on the Arduino, which is plugged in. Click connect, and I'll try compile and upload again. And that was successful. So you could try that. So that would be, again, the steps where if you get an error, quick refresh. Okay, have your Arduino plugged in, come up here, select it, click connect, and then click on this middle icon, compile and upload.